So just, be gentle with yourself, all right? Be compassionate with yourself. What are the thoughts that are going through your mind? Are you telling yourself, I'm a loser, I can't get work? What is the thing that this is very important, by the way. If you keep saying, I'm unemployed, I'm unemployed, I'm unemployed, you're going to keep manifesting that for yourself. So this goes into a little woo area, but affirmations are quite powerful. So, what you say, what you think, what you eat is who you are. So even if it's true that you're unemployed, you can say, I'm looking for new opportunities, right? Put a positive spin on it. I'm open, I'm excited about making a change in my career, and I'm looking at new opportunities and possibilities. Flip the way you think about this time in your life, and pay attention to the tape that's going on. What are you saying to yourself? We don't even realize the subconscious thoughts that we're saying to yourself. Are they positive or are they negative? Are you saying, I have no money, I'm a loser, no one's gonna ever hire me? Like, what are you saying to yourself over and over? Pay attention and stop it. So you gotta stop the tape, erase it. Nature abhors a vacuum. You wanna replace it. And the default always is gonna be, I love myself. I love myself, I love myself, I love myself. I don't care if you feel it, you fake it till you make it. Okay? It's a hard one for most people. So you just want to make sure, do some spring cleaning of your thoughts, okay, and your feelings, and make sure that, because what you focus on, what you put your attention on, what you repeat is what grows. So flip it around. If it's negative, make sure you're flipping it around. Okay?